tí mi sọ fún ẹ. Ṣé mo pa inú ẹ dùn nísìn? If you refuse to give me my money, ṣé mo pa ọmọ ẹ náà ṣì gbé? I'm telling you, so many people will cry for you. Oh, gbọ́ nǹkan tí mi sọ, tó bá pẹ́ kó tó san owó mi. You know I don't joke with money. It's better you pay my money. Ọmọ jà kúrò lórí phone fún mi jáde. Nonsense. Yeah. Don't worry about it.
I want to kill my husband.
What? Why? Why do you want to kill your husband?
I'm sick and tired of his threats and bullying every day. He wants to kill me.
What kind of bullshit is that? Are you mad?
How dare you walk out on me? I'm still talking to you. Are you mad? What exactly is your problem?
You are my problem.
You are my problem too.
Vanessa,
So
you
what?
are my problem.
What is wrong with
I
you?
don't understand. You are absolutely useless. You don't know how to cook. You don't clean the house. What do you do in this house? I don't understand. What do you do in this house? You are just useless.
Stop screaming, idiot. If I cannot sweep, pick a broom, sweep the floor. If I cannot cook, take your miserable self to the kitchen, cook something. Cook! Cook, Okiki, cook! Cook! Moran, cook!
Wow. Joy, I'm very sure you took after your mother.
What? Don't you ever in your miserable life talk to my mom like that.
Next. Come back here! Next time. I swear to God. The next time you lay your filthy hands on me, I swear my mother's grave, I will kill you. So, Bonnie, I will.
Please!
Come back! Are you mad? Don't you move me! I swear! Yeah. What is wrong with you?
Do not touch me again.
Yeah? Kill yourself. Do not what? Do not what?
Hi, baby. Okiki? Okiki?
I can hear you.
Then you should answer. About the money I asked you. The one I asked from you yesterday.
What do you want to use it for?
For whatever I want to use it for.
How much are you talking about exactly?
I told you yesterday, come on.
How much? I forgot.
Just 80k. Okay.
Just 80,000 naira. If you buy lost, you know budget.
So I don't have to go to the market to steal it. And that's why I'm asking from my husband.
You have 80,000 naira to waste.
Waste?
It's not possible.
Did you just say waste? Somebody's looking for trouble. Please, just give me the money and avoid all this.
See, what do you want to use it for? I can't just give you 80,000 naira I can't account for. What's wrong with you now?
But every time I give you food, I don't ask
Don't
you
even go there. Like you do food for me every day.
Okay, not every day, but at least I do once in a while. You don't give me money every day too. So, just give me the money and avoid all this.
See, Vanessa, honestly, I'm not anymore to this, Vanessa.
My love. Sweetheart. Don't do like that.
Vanessa, stop it.
What is your problem?
See, what is wrong with you now? Show can burn on it. Maybe you should, when you go out there and look for a job, maybe when you start making your own money, you know how stupid it is to drop 80,000 naira for something useless.
Really?
Necessary things.
You're being rude right now. And
See,
you know
Vanessa, please, I am not in the mood to argue.
Shut up, John, and I'm not what? Okay, now, you think if I go out there and start working, you think I won't be richer than you? Or Moniri won't fine. Come back here. Give me that money and avoid trouble. If you don't give me, this house is going to be a bakery for you and not me. So, my dear,
Stop it! Stop it! What is wrong with you now?
Why are you screaming?
Please. Vanessa, if you lay your hands on me, I'll slap you.
Shut up! Must you always scream like a dog? Get out of there, idiot.
I am done with this, man. Honestly, I am done.
Don't cry, just get out. Hey, it's fine, yo. It's my husband.
I swear to God, I will kill him. I will kill him, I don't tell you. Because I'm tired of all this rubbish. Don't tire me. Since when? Don't be patient enough. Don't be patient enough. Beg. I swear, I will kill him. I don't get that to talk rubbish again. Wow, I don't go sleep. Alright.
What makes you think I'm the right person to help you kill your husband?
Auntie, spare me all that, please. Everyone knows. I mean, everybody knows you're the black sheep of the family. And that's why nobody relates with you, apart from me. So, and moreover, you've done a lot of despicable things in the past. And I think I deserve this help from you.
Really?
Don't give me that. If you don't want to help me, I'll get my help somewhere else.
Jókòó ẹ jàre. Mira. Hey. You sure you really want to kill your husband?
Yes, I'm sure. Because he has been threatening to kill me. And I'm very sure if I don't kill him first, he's gonna kill me first.
Okay. Okay. Just hold on. I'll be right back. Take this. You see that medicine you are holding? Akere koroni. Abijawara sini pẹ̀lú. You are going to take a full cover of it. Apply it in your husband's food. Daily by daily for the next 2 weeks. It's going to kill your husband gradually for that period of 2 weeks. Are you getting me? Please, my darling, make sure it does not touch your tongue. If it does, you are going with him.
No.
Now, listen carefully. For that period of 2 weeks, you have to be submissive to your husband. You have to be loyal to him, and you have to pamper him. Make sure you give him whatever he wants. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Make sure you feed him well. Kò bọ́ dáadáa. Remember an adage that says, ẹran tí a bá fẹ́ pa, a máa ń bọ̀jọ́ ni. You get it? The ball is now in your court. Feel free.
So much. Auntie, I trust you so much. I knew you were gonna help me.
I can hear you. What is it again?
I'd really like to talk to you, so can you just drop the phone?
I'm busy, Vanessa.
Please, I want to talk to you. You know, I'd like to apologize for my bad behavior towards you lately, and you know, but I really do miss us. I miss those days when we spent time together to make each other happy, to make each other laugh. I miss your smile. I miss every bit of.
Wait. Vanessa, are you okay?
Nothing bad. It's just for the best.
What are you up to? 'Cause,
Nothing.
yo, I am not buying this at all. I am not stupid. I am not, Vanessa, I am not stupid. What are you up to? You are driving at something. What is it? Do you need money?
Okay, I do, but that's not it. For real, jokes apart. I'm just trying to say sorry. I want us to start all over again and make things happen for, you know, for the best, for better, for good. I really miss you, you know, everything about, you know, the kiss, the way we talk, smile, you know, have fun. We can start all over again, you know.
Okay, you know, if you need money, tell me you need money, I'll give you money.
Yeah, I need
What-
money,
oh.
but that's not it. Okay, let's jokes apart, please. I really want to make things up to you. Like, I really want to make you happy again, give you peace of mind, make you some delicious food, you know, give you some nice.
Nice.
Nice. Okay, so let's be serious. I'm so sorry, please. Just forgive me and let everything go.
You really stressed me. You did.
Okay, so I'm really sorry about everything. I want to start all over again and make things happen. Give you the best.
You know, I'm actually finding it very, very hard to take in. You know what? I'm just going to go with the flow. I'm going to go with the flow. Okay.
Oh, that's my baby.
Hey, kiss on the head. Okay. It's a start.
Okay, so I'll be right back.
So what's for breakfast?
I'll let you know.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
So you are going to cook?
Of course, yes.
Vanessa wants to cook. Wait, Vanessa said sorry. Something is happening. Something is definitely happening. Oh girl. Oh girl. Wow. It was very good.
Really?
Yeah. I honestly didn't think we were going to prepare.
Well, I did. I told you I was going to make this.
Yeah. You know, I don't know what exactly your plan is, but I hope it's for the greater good. Because I'm liking this part of you.
Really?
Yeah.
This new version of me is everything.
I hope it stays for a long time.
Very, very very simple.
Is that? Are you serious?
Yeah. So what time am I?
It's been a while I kissed you.
Oh.
It's been hugging me and hugging me.
So what are you doing on the phone? You good?
Yeah, fine.
Baby. You know my birthday is coming very soon.
Yes, I know.
Okay, so what are you getting for me?
We're going to ask me. So what do you want?
Are you sure you're gonna get me anything I want?
You know, I was thinking, I saw something at the mall last week. And I thought, that is actually good.
Take care.
I'm fine.
No, get some water, please.
So I was thinking,
Oh, sorry, please just carry.
fine. So I saw it at the mall last week. And I was thinking, wow, this is actually good to look for.
Are you sure you're okay?
Fine.
Take care. Sorry. Are you sure you're good? Yes. Don't you think it's time to go see a doctor? At least you've been coughing for a while now.
I will. And I saw this thing.
You have to go and see a doctor.
I will see a doctor
When?
tomorrow, and you follow me. You'll be fine.
Yeah.
As I was saying, it was actually looking very beautiful, and I thought, wow, this is actually going to look good on my baby.
Just take water. Oh, please. No. Take it easy. Please, come on.
I am very tired. I can't wait to come back home to you.
Baby, I'm going to see my aunt tomorrow. It's been long and so now, and it's kind of important.
Oh, okay. 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 Okay.
That's good. So,
Are you okay?
what time are you? What time are you?
Are you okay?
Fine.
I need you.
No, I'm okay. I'm okay.
Okay.
I'm fine. Kaya should give her extra sleep.
Let me get you water. Auntie, please help me. My husband is dying, please. Oh my God, what have I done? Oh my God, please help me. Auntie, please, I beg you, do something. My husband is dying, please. The cough is getting worse, please do something. Please, my husband is dying, please, don't let me die. I beg you, help me, I beg you, please help me. I don't want my husband to die, please help me, I beg you, please.
How is that my business?
Please, the cough is getting worse. Give me anything at all. I don't want anything.
Ẹ máa gbà mí o. Ẹ gbà mí o. Jẹ́jẹ́ mi ni mo jókòó ló sọ pé o fẹ́ pọ̀pọ̀ ẹ̀. Àbí? O ló fẹ́ pọ̀pọ̀ ẹ̀. Mo dẹ̀ fún ẹnìkan tó máa fi pọ̀pọ̀ ẹ̀. As the black sheep of the family, isn't it? Jọ, you better stop crying and find somewhere to go. Don't come and cry in my house o. What is it?
I don't want him to die, please.
But I thought you wanted him dead.
That was then. Not anymore, please. I was just childish. I didn't think of all these things before I decided. Please help me.
You don't want to kill him
I
again?
didn't think of the repercussion before I did it, please. Please help me, please. I don't want him to die.
In that case, stop crying and sit. Let's stop.
No, I don't want to sit down. I don't want to stop crying. Please just give me something. Help me.
Ẹ máa sunkún lọ lójú pálí gbà yẹn. Àdúrà ìwọ yẹn lélẹ̀. What is it?
Please.
See, let me just tell you. I did not give you any poison.
What?
Yeah. I gave you salt solution. That is water and salt.
Are you for real? Please.
See, my darling, I don't want to be responsible for his death. A guy as nice, handsome, and cool. If I had shouted at you on that day, you would have gone elsewhere to source for another means to kill him. That was why I applied wisdom and taught you all those good characters, a good behavior, how to behave whenever you want to serve him or when you are with him. That good character that you displayed was why your husband fell in love with you. Simple. So, what is wrong with your husband is just a mere cold or flu. So I will employ you as a good wife that you just displayed to run home now and go take good care of your husband.
Thank you. I can't thank you enough. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hey. What's up? Food.
I'm sorry.
Honestly. Hey, sit down. No shit. Let me get you some. But I'm to buy. told me everything already.
What?
Yeah.
What did she tell you?
She wanted to kill me.
No. Yes, but I really didn't mean it. I didn't mean to kill you. I was just tired of you. Frustration, and trouble. I was just angry. I'm so sorry.
But the truth is, I actually wanted to kill you.
What are you talking about?
The truth is, I killed you already.
You